Like, I had no idea that this was coming. Not at all.
It's like day 3. It's a little chilly today, actually. It's not too bad.
It's
but
like 14.
yeah, today I think we're just gonna go to Little Tokyo, check out maybe Koreatown, check out some ramen places and such. Be back by the afternoon, I'm thinking. And then, yeah. Oh my gosh, I was watching the other first videos and I was just like thinking to myself, like, maybe I was just too quick. And then it's funny, my aunt said that too. So, so today I'm gonna try to like record. I feel so bad. See, I had a feeling that was the case. But more Lani Nu. Let me look at a little. This thing's pretty good stuff.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't get to try it yesterday, so I'll have to take a sip.
So, oh, and today, so blessed to have like Uncle Louis and Tina like lend me their car. Right, Brandon's car actually. They let me out Brandon's car. And so we got a car today, so I rented a car. It's gonna be sweet. So yeah.
And today's just mostly gonna be like driving around, seeing what we can find, and trying new places to eat, and just seeing where the day takes us, I guess.
I'm actually pretty tired. I won't lie. So much food.
The last couple days has just been
like go, go,
a
go.
whirlwind. Like, because all of your aunts and uncles, they all wanted to take us to all these different places. And it was like they felt the need to like, they just wanted to make sure they got everything in right off the bat. So like we got here and then it was like immediately like In-N-Out burgers and then come back, eat your grandma's food, which was delicious. And then like next day we went to what did we even do? We went and to the temples and took pictures and then ate more food. We went to San Diego, came all the way back. Like it's just been like go, 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 go over the last couple days. So, and then there's the time difference for us, right? Like we're used to being 3 hours ahead. So we're always just feeling like further along in the day and then waking up extra early. But today we good. You ready?
I'm gonna find where IHOP is. Don't look at my nipples like that.
I wanted to go to IHOP because we don't have that in Canada, so I want some pancakes.
It's only 9 minutes. So close. All right.
All right, here we go.
Ooh, it's actually pretty good.
Is it?
Oh wow. It's called Cosmic Stardust.
Turn right onto Garvey Avenue.
It's actually really, really good. Wow.
Oh, that is good.
I know.
It's like kind of orangey,
I know.
very fruity.
I like it.
I like it a lot. It's really good.
Right onto Valley Boulevard.
All right, I'll let you have your drink back.
This is like the worst IHOP you can record at because it's like the only space is this.
Oh my god.
I get to like stand over here in the wetness. She wanted pancakes, you know, straight from her motherland. She reminds her of home. We have an abundance of food and everything here, and she just wanted IHOP. Of like different kinds of foods. You can have anything. She wanted IHOP.
A few moments later.
Great. Here's what's better. It's good.
This hot sauce is actually
Got this like burrito going here. Burrito action. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Need anything else?
Oh, I think we're good.
We're good.
Yeah, thank you.
really good.
So when left in this room.
Got all this pepper everywhere.
Stop. It's not funny. It's a lot.
I forget how oversized all American portions are.
Oh.
Like we ordered how we would order at home. So we got like, you got a burrito omelet, I got an omelet with like hash browns, and then we got pancakes to share. And we got through like one pancake each, half.
I didn't even get it through.
You didn't even, yeah, like I got through half of 2 pancakes, and I got through most of, like 3/4 of my omelet,
I got splashes of
and
pepper.
half of my hash browns, and you didn't even get to eat your hash browns because you dumped pepper on them. Drink your Alani now.
Alani. No. It was pretty close. I did. It was,
Head northwest toward
For
Valley.
mental math, I'll give it to
Turn
you.
left onto Valley Boulevard.
Oh.
Yes!
okay, so we are here at Santa Monica. Woo, this is exciting. Try to. Is this exciting to you?
This is exciting.
It's random like scooters around.
Oh, we can get one.
I know. So nice here. I'm just glad it's not the winter time. And the ocean water is a little chilly,
Yeah, it's a little chilly.
but not for me. Only for her.
Always chilly.
Oh, smell that? Smell of opportunity. This actually smells like crap.
Smells like shit. It is so windy.
Look at this though. Okay, let's go from here.
This is.
I know. Santa Monica Pier. And look over there, babe.
Wow. It's so beautiful.
did find the location that I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go and yeah, you guys see what is going on. Got the ring ready, and then we're gonna go and do this. Okay, it's gonna be really, really good. Yeah, I found a location. It's gonna be good. Everyone knew actually. That's what they're watching this video, and that's what they're expecting, something. So everybody is so excited to watch it.
Oh my god! Everybody knew! My mom knew! Aunt Sarah knew!
No. No.
Look at it! Let's go drink!
How do you feel? How do you feel? Are you like surprised?
I had no idea.
Thank God. I'm glad.
No idea.
It was hard.
Like, I was not anticipating that on this trip at all. Because we had talked about not doing it. You thoroughly tricked me.
What do you mean?
Like, I had no idea that this was coming. Not at all. Like, I was fully
Do you
anticipating.
think this is the perfect place though? I think it's a great
It's
place.
beautiful.
Because I like the place. Now you can always remember that Santa Monica.
It is absolutely beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. The ring is so pretty. I cried. I'm still shaky.
How do you feel?
I'm like, my palms are still sweaty from all the adrenaline of like that whole amazing experience. I was not anticipating that at all, so I'm still like really shooken up. And like hearing all the stories of like everything
how all
you
this
did,
transpired.
how this all transpired. So now we're gonna get Pokeballs.
I'm gonna get Japanese Pokeball. I'm just hungry. Can't even think.